Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a 1960 Ford Sunliner convertible. As you can see, convertible. They call it a Galaxie Sunliner, but today I'll be doing walk around, and starting it up. Last time, if you ever saw the last video or knew the channel, if you're new to the channel, please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Help a lot. Oh, whoop. Hold on. New to the channel, please leave a like. And yeah, guys, here we go. Oh, shoot. Whoops. Forgot to connect the battery, guys. Positive. Sorry for the lack of lighting. This garage is powered by those lights, and that's all. Well, let's go ahead and start it. Alright. Power and crank. So you didn't ran long. I don't know why. Probably because we ran out of gas already. So, who wants to hear it run again? Okay, let's go put a little bit more gas in. Start it one more time for you guys. And yeah. Okay, put the water bowl back and start it again for you guys. Again, I'll go ahead and exit the garage so I don't die from carbon monoxide poisoning and crap. Alright, here we go. There we go, guys. You heard it run. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, guys, this is an 360 FE engine. I forgot what years they made them to, and yeah. It was like only 44,000 of these sunliners made. They didn't go off because or they didn't rock it because of Ford Edsel. No one liked that, so they thought the Starliner platform, the Galaxie, like this 60 Galaxie platform, would be bad. They also made the Fairline, the Galaxie, which is a two-door one, I think. Or is that a Fairline? I don't know. Don't quote me in the comments, but this, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this engine was swapped in probably, so it's not original. So those people that like original engines, sorry for the cluttered garage. It's an all garage and a lot of parts for it. You notice there's gaskets there. And yes, there is. Not all for it, but some were used for it. Turn off the key. This also has a swapped-in manual transmission. These came with 3 on a tree. I mean, the 3-o-matic, and I think a 4-speed on the floor, but this ain't it. And I think 4 on the tree too. Don't quote me also. But yeah, you may notice these seats, they don't match those. These aren't from it. I believe these are from a Galaxie or something like that. I don't know what's the center console from. This got my favorite dash, the paddless dash. Also may notice there's no door cards. I don't know where to get door cards or how to get door cards. But yeah, guys. Let me go show you guys the trunk if you guys haven't seen my last video about it. But yeah, we just got this running of last night of November 20th. Today is, so I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, but you can notice here in the trunk, yeah, probably a little bit rusty under there. I don't care. You may also notice some trims missing and stuff. I could try to get over there and show you guys what's wrong with it, but the quarter panel, the fender here, quarter panel here is all rusty, but we got some, I think somewhere in there is a new quarter panel for it, or it's outside in the purple starliner. Comment down below if you want to see a video on the purple one next year. But we go through here. You may also notice, well, I got informed that our bedroom upstairs reeks. When will I get my license next? Oh yes, my bad guys. Sorry. Here's the panel that's dented, but I think if I can get something in there and pop it out. I'll try to make a video on that later, but you can see it's not all straight. In these new one, well, we have a replacement one. We can take this off and ooh, eagle-eyed viewers will notice these cool 5-spoke wheels. Not factory though. Like pretty much everything else on here has been swapped. But both doors open like a brand new car. No, not really, but you can see new rocker panels. I don't know what else. Only to do. You can see John F. Kennedy sat in here. Pretty cool. No mirror. No mirror there. Door has a dent. Probably can do PDR on there. A little bit of rust here. Got new fenders out there. Yeah. People say these FEs like to push push rods. This one don't. Vroom vroom. Yeah. We need a hook up carburetor here, but guys, I want to get some sponsors so we can get this thing running properly. I want to get some sponsors that would do like a throttle kit for this. Oh, yeah, and I need to paint this up. But yeah, guys, I don't have much to show this video, but if you want to see more sunliner content, 3 likes. If you really like these videos, I'm gonna want to restore this thing this winter. As you see, November 20th. It's cold out, nothing to do. I can't weld with Christine. But guys, here's the valve covers. I'm gonna put them on after this video. I'm gonna make a video how to clean these. Sorry for the light. I'm gonna make a video how you clean the steering wheel horn. So guys, if you enjoy this video, 3 likes for more videos on the sunliner, like putting on the chrome, putting on the grill, making the engine bay look all clean, and restoring it, aka dropping the gas tank, making the brakes good. But guys, I'll see you guys next video. Thank you for everybody who've been watching these videos lately. Yeah.